Hey guys, welcome back, and today we're gonna talk about one of my most favorite iPhone Apple ever made of this size, I guess especially for me, and that is the iPhone 12 mini. And is it worth buying right now or not? Let's do it. First up, this phone is not perfect. I mean, there are many flaws, but let's start with the good one first. First being the size of this phone. I mean, just look at this. This is the kind of a phone that you will feel weird holding it for a few days, but after a week or so, you will get used to it. And that is the beauty about this phone, that it is the only phone that you will love only after using it for more than a week or so. And there are many reasons for that. Like, it easily fits in your pocket. Number one, it charges fast because of small battery, one hand usability throughout the phone, you can reach all the four corners of the phone, and etc. So talking about the design, this has iPhone 5s kind of a build around the corner, and it feels like iPhone SE 2, which is the perfect mixture one's want from the buttons. And also, buttons around the corner is clicky AF. The lock button is big too, and speaker system in this phone is just too good for the size. You will get shocked how good they sound. You get this glass back around the back, and thanks to aluminium in the side, you can easily hold this phone without a case and it won't fall because of the grip. Coming to the display, yes, it is a very small, but if you have any other device, I mean big device in your house like an iPad or iMac or Mac, you won't feel left out. But yes, this display panel is small, but I'm pretty sure you will forget that after using this phone for a few weeks, because you will get used to it, which is great. I feel the colors, sharpness, everything is good about the display. Even in the direct sunlight, you won't have any issues whatsoever. But again, you will have to get used to it. But the process is what we hate the most, I feel, especially for me. iPhone 12 Pro is the perfect size for me if we compare it to Pro Max or regular 12. But if we have to choose between iPhone Pro or Mini, I will choose Mini. Even though I add bulk to this thing like a leather case or MagSafe wallet, still this feels small in pocket, not like other phones which make you regret carrying this big phone. And coming back to display, I know this is a beautiful display, you will love it, but again, if you're someone who doesn't like small displays and you watch a lot of movies and all, you should not buy this one. Form factor is something which is worth mentioning here. I mean, one hand usability. I can reach all the four corners of this phone without even thinking. I can type with one hand. When I hold the phone, I have this confidence, that it will not fall from my hands. This is all happening just because of one thing, the size of this phone. It can make you fall in love easily. But something that will make you hate this phone a little bit is battery life. I mean, it's not even good. In today's standards, I am sharing some screenshots of my screen time, and you can easily see that I'm getting 5 hours of this phone. But more than that, you might not even end a day with that. You will have to charge it up in the night, and in my test, 4 to 5 hours of screen on time is absolutely fine, because this is the average usage that everyone goes through. But if you are a heavy user, you might need to pack a power bank with it. For me, I don't have any problem whatsoever. I have chargers around the corner everywhere in my house, in my car, in my office. So yeah, I end up with lot of juice at the end of the day, which doesn't kill the phone for me. And don't forget, you can always use fast charging. Moving to the camera, wow, Apple, I mean, how these guys impress me every single time. I mean, what to complain? This camera can easily last more than 2 years for you. And that's my guarantee. It's too good, especially in the night vision mode. Like, even in no light condition, this is the kind of picture that you get out of it, which is remarkable. I mean, both the lenses, the colors, the sharpness. I leave it to you guys how you feel about this. Let me know in the comments right away. And also, front camera is promising too. You won't have any problem here. I mean, to pack so much into this small size is absolutely unbelievable. And I'm sure iPhone 13 mini is better than this. And it makes me happy that even in this size, you get Apple chip. I mean, the Bionic chip, obviously, which is too fast. You won't even notice a lag. I've been using this phone from over a month now, and I've been rough with it, like going back and forth non-stop, opening multiple apps, browsing, playing games, streaming, and no lag whatsoever. And yes, it looks small in hand, and you might feel you will have seeing and typing problem, but trust me, use this for a week and you might want to hold this phone forever. It's so easy to type in this thing. I don't know why people are making such a big deal out of this. It's absolutely usable. And well, there you have it, my iPhone 12 mini review and what I think about it. And to be honest with you, this is a perfect iPhone for me. I know, battery is a big thing, but still I'm getting 5 hours every day, and that's what I need. I mean, what else I'm missing? Nothing. This phone that I wanted something in the middle of iPhone 12 Pro or 12, and boom, I love this device. Like crazy camera performance, design, size, display. I can praise this phone all day long, and yes, I can easily say this is the most affordable, greatest iPhone that you can get right now. And my answer to this phone, even after 1 year, is still yes. With that being said, I hope you all like this video. If you did, do let me know in the comments down below. Subscribe for more. And again, I'm AJ and I'm signing off. Bye bye.